Yeah, man, me hear about it, man, but I not too believe in them thing there, see me?
What do you mean by you not believing in them something there?
Yeah, man, I not believe in Eclipse and them thing there, brother.
I don't understand what you mean.
Brother, them thing them use to try program the youths, them, brother. I not believe in them thing there, because means a youth you can't program in here, see me?
What about program?
Them try chip out the youth, them, brother. You understand what me I say?
Bruh.
Control your mind and them thing that way you think on them something there, see me? And them can't program
Dog,
the youth.
really, dog? Brother, Eclipse is a real natural thing, you know. And something really happen, you know. And like a program thing and a plan thing and them thing. They like, if you go out and do it, you literally go see it happen.
Right, see they know them all get you. Eh? Fully program out and chip out. Church
What
of
about
God.
chip out?
Program Babylon and try program your youth. Don't take programming. Brother, and everything where you hear, you have to believe, you see me? Cause next time I come tell man say I'm gonna look up in a jazz sky and them thing they cause what me I got blind. Blind or what? Jah would have never blind me, brother. What do you my
You
youth?
can't bring in Babylon and them thing and everything in my youth. Eclipse is Eclipse, you know. I don't know if you not brainwash or control mind and them thing.
General, and them thing them I use for how long get a youth for ages, brother, but them not go program me.
Bruh.
Program what?
Really, brother? Bro, you can't serious.
Matter of fact, when them claim say it start, me I go out there look straight up in that. Blind what? Blind who? Don't take no program from nobody youth.
Me confused.